Hi, welcome back everyone. In this video, we're gonna learn to merge photos online without downloading or installing any app, but just directly going to lightxeditor.com. Starting from the bottom, just go to the LightX Editor on your browser, go to the Editor Tools and click on Merge Photo option. Now you will be directed to the screen where you get an option of uploading image. And then out of these three options, I'm selecting an image from the stock, which provides copyright-free images. You can search for the type of image you want to take initially. Here I am typing tree, and let's go with this one. Let's start layering this picture by selecting the option of layer at the right side. Now, at the left side panel, select another image as per your choice that you want to merge with this image. Here I have already uploaded my image in LightX library. What's a forest without a tiger, right? So let's select this photo. Click on the Remove Background option and choose the object. You can refine the image further by using Magic Brush and Magic Eraser. Simply dragging across the boundary of your image, click Apply and your refined image is ready. Now place the image at the desired position while adjusting the proper size. Move the corners to adjust the size and customize the image by adjusting the saturation, color, and light so that it matches with the background. Perfect. You can merge multiple photos all together in one image and create a beautiful artwork. Come and let's experiment with more images. Let's take this one. This Jeep would be nice. Again, removing the background and choosing object. Wonderful. It needs a bit of more refinement, so let's do that too. Placing it on the road, adjusting the size. Again, customize the image to fit into the background. You can also apply various filters to your image, adjust and transform by rotating, selecting the size and positioning the image appropriately by dragging across the previous one. Placing it on this side and ready. What else you can do? Well, let's dive into the sticker section. The lighting would be cherry on top for this one. Let's reposition the sticker by dragging and adjusting the size by moving the corners. You can move up and down to place any desired image, sticker, or any object you placed on top of each other. I want this lightning to be behind the tiger, so I'm choosing the option Move Down. Lastly, top it off with more dense look of the forest that will complete our picture. Experiment with which looks best and dilutes well with the image. Again, with adjusting and panning the image. Well done! Look at this beautiful image we just created. Now, who would say that we have merged all these images into one? Looks so professional and clean. Lastly, the most important thing is name your project and click on the Save button just beside the file name. Go to the Download button at the top right corner and choose your desired format. Here I'm choosing the JPEG format, and since I'm okay with the existing resolution, I'll simply hit the Download button. And that's how you can merge photos online. If you have any questions, let us know in the comment section below. If you want to see more videos like these, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And while you're at it, give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.